So today I'm going to be unboxing the new Alta Plus, the new 3D printer that Silhouette just came out with. This is their second version of it. They have just the Silhouette Alta that I also have, and this is their Plus. It looks pretty similar to their first 3D printer that I have, but there are some new upgrades and adjustments, so I'm going to show you what it looks like and just my thoughts on the first look. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. There's this little flyer here where you can set up your 3D printer. You'll download the software from here. And it looks like these are the instructions, safety precautions. You get some of the tape for the base. And this is the base. It comes with one on it, which is really nice. There's some white filament. And this is the spool holder. So from what I've known, this is printed from your machine just to make sure that it's working and calibrated properly. So this exact piece they used your machine that you're receiving now to print it, which is pretty cool. So this is just the cable, wires, and same here. It also comes, I think this is the European plug, and I think they use it in Asia as well. So it's nice that they include those as well. And the keys to lock your Alta, as well as a spatula and hex keys. So it's nice and securely wrapped. There's also styrofoam on the bottom. So I will take it out and show you guys what it looks like. So here it is right out of the package. As you can see, there's no styrofoam or anything on the inside like the first Alta came with. And when you open it up, it looks pretty similar to the first one. I'll bring my other one and show you just to compare. But the color is different. This one is gray, the first one is white. And what I can notice right off the bat, I don't know if you can see, I'll zoom in a bit later, but there is a built-in fan this time, which is great because I had this big chunky fan that I use, so I don't have to worry about that. The clip here, I don't really have problems with mine, but I know a lot of users have a lot of problems because it's plastic. It tends to just chip and break easily, so they were disappointed when they saw it was plastic again. They were hoping it would be metal, but so far I haven't had any issues, so hopefully it stays intact as well. So I'll just come a little closer and show you everything that I can see that's different. So here are the two Altas side by side. You can see they're very similar in their design, just pretty much the color is different and where the logos are placed are different. So right off the bat, I can see, like I told you, the fan, and also it's a little lower this is the home position. And if you look at the inside, it's kind of hard to see, but right here, the knobs, when you're adjusting and calibrating right here, they're little knobs, which makes it a lot easier. In the older one, there's no knobs, so right here you would have to use a hex key, which is really hectic because I've had to calibrate my machine a lot. So I think that makes it a lot easier. That was my unboxing of the new Silhouette Alta Plus. I'm excited to try it out, give it a go, see if their new upgrades and features make a big difference in my print. I think I'm probably going to print the same exact file. I'll try to print them at the same time. I'm not sure if you can run two Altas at once. I think you can, so that would be great to just test out both machines and what they're capable of. So I will probably post a video of me trying them both out, printing something with the same design and the same settings, just to see how each machine does and if it does make a difference. So stay tuned for that, and I'll keep you guys updated with how I like the machine and what I think about it.